All right, boys and girls, today is Tuesday, June 9th, 2020, and we are going to be learning about our reading. Now, I'm going to read the sentence. Everybody is already familiar with what to do. You're going to read, E is sick and sad. I'm going to read it again. E is sick and sad. And then you trace the word E is sick. Trace the word E is sick. And then you're going to write the word E is sick at the bottom. Now you're going to go with the patterns. I'm going to circle the right pattern and you're going to cross out the wrong one. I'm going to say all the patterns. All you need to do is to circle the right one and cross out the wrong one. Now listen. You're gonna look for the one that has the same pattern. You're going to look for the one that has the same pattern. All right, the next one is E. You're going to look for the one that has that pattern. Then the last one, You're going to look for the one that has that pattern, and that's what you need to do for this page. All right, boys and girls, for language arts, you're going to circle the box that has a can, fan, man. I'm going to say it again. Can, fan, man. Now you're going to look for the one that has it. This is a can, man, girl. I'm going to cross it out. This is a can, fan, man. I'm going to circle it. This is a can, hat, man. I'm going to cross it out. And this is a cat, fan, man. I'm going to cross it out. And on this part, we have three objects. We have a dog, a wagon, and a towel. Now, all you need to do is to circle the object that is first in line and you cross out the one that is next in line. All right, boys and girls, for math, you're going to do this part. So I have 5 plus 0 equal blank. Now remember, I told you if you add 5 plus 0, it's going to give you that same number. Now let's see. Now we have 5. I'm going to count 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 0. Do I need to count 0? No. So all I need to do is to count this and put the answer here. Now let me count to make sure how many lines I made. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I made 5 lines. I'm going to put the number 5 here and I'm going to make 5 lines to make sure everything is complete. Now that is all you need to do for this side. For number 2, you leave it blank. For number 3, you're going to count. Let's see. It says 7 plus blank equal 10. 7 plus blank equal 10. Now we already have 7 lines and we have 10 here, but I don't know what to put here. So you're going to count from 7 all the way to 10. Whatever lines you make here will be the answer you put in this box. Now let's count all over again. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let me see how many lines is here. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to put the number 3 here. And I have 7 plus 3 equal 10. And I'm going to make 10 lines. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that's all you need to do for this part and this part. Now on this side, we have the equations here and I circle the answers. So all you need to do is to trace it down here and make the lines of what I circled. But I'm going to go over it. It says 4 plus 2 equals 6. Now I'm going to trace it down and I'm going to make 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now here it says 5 plus 3 equal 8. That's why I circled 8. You're going to trace it all the way up, count 8 lines, and I have 3 plus 1 equal 4. I circled 4, and you trace it up and you make 4 lines. On this part, you're going to count the dots and match it to the number. Now I'm going to count the first one and see how many dots I have here. Now let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I'm going to match the dots down to number 8, and that's what you need to do for the rest. On this part, you're going to fill in the blanks with number 8, 1, 7, 2, 6, 9, 3, and 10. Alright, boys and girls, still on science, you're going to circle your results after tasting each fruit. Now, like I already said yesterday, most of you must have tasted this fruit, and most of you might have not tasted it. So you can tell your parents to try and get those fruits and see how they taste. Now, this is apple. It says, is the result sweet, salty, bitter, or sour? Now, I'm going to circle sweet because apple is always sweet. Now this is banana. Was it sweet, bitter, salty, or sour? This is lemon. Was it sweet, bitter, salty, or sour? And this is orange. Was it sweet, bitter, salty, or sour? That's all you need to do for your science today. Okay, boys and girls, for social studies, we already discussed about needs and wants yesterday. So it says cut and paste the pictures to the correct boxes, and you color the pictures. Now first you're going to color the pictures, and this side you're going to paste a picture that shows needs, and on this side you're going to paste pictures that shows want. Now see, this is water and this is some popsicle. Now it shows this is a need and this is a want. This is dog, this is a boy sleeping, this is food, this is football, this is some clothes, this is cake, this is bicycle, and this is sun. Now you need to paste which one is a need or which one is a want.